Every strong individual carries a reservoir of strength, often unacknowledged and unseen. The battles fought in the quiet moments of the night, where loneliness and pain intertwine, are a testament to their resilience. Yet as the sun rises, they transform, putting on a smile that masks the turmoil within. This smile is not a facade, but a symbol of their courage and determination to face the world with hope and positivity. Friendships for these strong souls are built on selective truth-telling. They reveal only parts of their struggles, choosing to protect their friends from the full weight of their burdens. This act of shielding others is both a sign of their strength and a source of their isolation. With parents, the silence is even more profound. They prefer to suffer in silence than to see worry etched on their parents' faces. It's a sacrifice made out of love, demonstrating their deep care and selflessness. Behind their reassuring phrases like, "It's okay" and "I understand," lies a heart that forgives easily and strives to see the best in others. They offer understanding and empathy, often going above and beyond to make others feel valued and heard. However, this often leads to them feeling misunderstood and overlooked. The world rarely sees the depth of their kindness and the silent battles they fight. These individuals often bottle up their emotions, not out of fear but out of a desire to maintain harmony. They yearn for acknowledgement, a simple recognition of their efforts, which would mean the world to them. Expressing their feelings is a challenge. Their vulnerability is hidden behind walls built over years of protecting themselves from hurt. They become too attached, their hearts too soft, constantly worrying about causing pain to others. In their relentless pursuit of making others happy, they sometimes find themselves hurt repeatedly. Yet despite the pain, they rise every day with the same hope, to be loved and appreciated genuinely. Their persistence is a testament to their strength and their unwavering belief in the goodness of people. There comes a time, however, when the need to be understanding and forgiving can lead to being taken for granted. Recognizing this is crucial. It's a moment of awakening, a realization that respect and love should be mutual. Seeking love in places where it doesn't exist is draining and unfulfilling. It's like trying to drink from dry wells, leaving one parched and weary. I've reached that point of realization. I'm done looking for love in barren places. It's time to value myself and seek relationships that are nourishing and reciprocal. This journey is about self-respect and finding the strength to walk away from what doesn't serve us. If this message resonates with you and you've watched this video to the end, drop 100 in the comments. Show that you are part of the 1% who finish what they start, who persevere despite the odds, and who value themselves enough to seek genuine love and respect. Your strength and resilience are your greatest assets. Embrace them and never settle for anything less than you deserve.